Did you know that mapmakers used to invent fake towns just to catch thieves? For decades, cartographers hid fictional places inside their maps on purpose. A fake street here, a town that never existed there. They called them trap streets and paper towns. If a competitor copied your map, that invented place would show up on theirs too. Proof of theft, locked in ink. The most famous example is Agloe, New York. Two mapmakers at General Drafting invented it in the 1930s and dropped it into the Catskill region. Then something strange happened. A general store actually opened there, using the name from a map. The fictional town had become real enough to justify its own business. Rand McNally later included Agloe in their own maps, and when challenged, they pointed to that store as proof the place existed. Today, Agloe has a Wikipedia page. People visit the area. Some call it their hometown. A lie told on a map somehow became a place people belong to.